Well, good morning, guys. This is Zach here, Zach Harris from the School of Economic Trends. I'm going to show you what time it is. Today is the 5th of September 2016, and it's coming up to 9 o'clock. So it's the time, guys. Today is Monday. It's time to do some weekly analysis and show you where the markets are going to go. Where all the currency pairs are gonna go, where the FTSE we reckon we should go, when would be our entry and exit levels. This is the time. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna log into our membership area, because we have already updated our membership area this morning, and I'm gonna show you exactly. Sorry guys, it's the wrong one. Okay. So I'm going to show you exactly what we have done this morning. We have closed our trade euro against USD, which was, we placed a trade, I think it was the 22nd of August. So that trade is closed. We may as well show you. Okay, so this was the update, which we updated our trade on the 2nd, which was last Friday. Euro versus USD, 22nd of August, the original trade was placed. Open price was 1.132. The closing price was 1.119. The stop loss, we had it at 1.1382. And it was within 10 days we captured 132 points, roughly about 13.2% profit. So there's the screenshot for that trade. We entered it at that price, 132 points in 9 days, 13% profit, and we got out just there. And once we had taken a picture, I think on Friday, and we had updated it pretty much straight away. Yeah, it was 2nd of September. So it was updated pretty much straight away. Okay guys, so that was my trade. Now let's talk about today's weekly analysis. Okay, so I put all the pictures up with entry and exit levels. We're looking at Euro versus USD here. Sorry, my apologies. Let me go back. Okay, yeah. We're looking at Euro versus USD, and that's the trade. We had captured 130 points. However, we are still waiting to hit the next support level, which is 1.1069. At the moment they're trading at 1.1170. so at the moment, right now, we don't have the entry. We are waiting on long positions, and these are the these are the levels when we will enter our trade, either 1.10739 or else 1.09704. So once, because we have got this support level 1, and then we've got the support level 2. So once it's bounced back from here, start rising up, that we're looking about what's the percentage? 2%, 2.42%. Not a lot, but it's a couple of 100 points. And then if it rises up from here, 3.4%. and we're looking at entry at 1.0974. This is a Euro versus USD. So right now we don't have the entry. We are not in any trade at the moment, long-term trade wave strategy. So I'm gonna move on to the next trade. The next trade is FTSE. Strangely, after the US non-farm payroll, this market has rose massively in one day. Their lowest point was in around 6745, and it rose up to 6920. So it's 140 points rose. It's still, we have got a really strong resistance level at the price of 6950. And at the moment today, the markets are pretty much flat, and they're not doing a lot. But these are the levels we still believe that should drop up to 6624, if not then 6417. But it is taking longer than usual. It's just because maybe it was unpredictable movement happened already in last couple of months' time after the Brexit, when a lot of people were expecting that the FTSE would drop. Instead of dropping, it took a turn, broke through their previous resistance levels, previous price barriers, and shot up, and that kind of took everyone by surprise. But this is a FTSE. We had never placed a trade on FTSE, but if the FTSE takes turn at in around that level, that would be a confirmation that this resistance level, that price barrier at 69550, would be a really strong one. That would prove it. Now the next one we're looking at, GBP versus USD. Fairly close again. Overall trend is down, as you can see. Since Brexit, Great Britain pound has dropped massively, and this is a trade I'm pretty excited about. If it does rise up to in around 1.364, that would be a lovely short trade. 5.37% gap in between your entry to your support level. That would be the time that we would be looking to get involved to go short. So yes, waiting on short position at the resistance levels. That's exactly what we're waiting on. Okay, USD versus JPY. US dollar against JPY is a little bit strange one, guys, because their support level that hasn't broken that support level, which is at just in around 99.7784, and for last, even though it has hit that mark there back in July, sorry, but back in June, it had hit this price. For last 4 months, it hasn't broken through that support level, and their range, that's why I drawn this trend line. Their range is getting smaller and smaller, as you can see. This was a long range, beautiful range. A lot of people have gained a lot of profit. We were involved in that movement as well, and then after that we missed that movement. That was also a great movement. It was showing you a downward trend, but now at the moment today is actually either they have to make a new support level, then bounce back up and go back up. But if it actually starts going up, if it bounces from this support level we have, sorry, let me go back there. From this actually support level, this purple line means it can actually change a trend, and it starts to go up even though overall trend is down. So it is a little bit tricky one. But if it does go up to 1.06 and then it takes a turn to drop, we will definitely get involved. That would be a gap of 6.33. So guys, these are the levels we will be getting involved. We don't place a lot of trades when it comes to month basis trades, maybe 2, 3, 4 trades maximum, but them 4 trades would be enough for us to capture maybe average basis of 15-20% in a month, and that's exactly what we're looking to achieve. Other than that, I have been placing few day trades here and there. Whenever I do place my trades, I upload my trades on YouTube, so you can follow me. This is Zach here, Zach Harris from the School of Economic Trends. Any questions, feel free to get in touch with us, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Guys, have a great day and talk to you soon.